guys, welcome back to another video on this journey, and we are gonna say thank you for the 159 subscribers, guys. I'm sorry I said I would push before I had 100 subscribers, but we had a busy weekend. Happy late Easter. Hope you guys had a great Easter, guys. And we are gonna be singing the Eagles Fight song. Here we go. Fly, Eagles, fly, on the road to victory. Fight, fight, fly, Eagles, fly. Score touchdown, 1, 2, 3. Low, hit 'em high, and watch our Eagles fly. Fly, Eagles, fly, on the road to victory. E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles! The Eagles are still world champions. Don't remember that. And thank you for the 159 subscribers. Sorry we didn't post it for a long time. And peace. Thank you for the make sure to subscribe and comment down below. Peace.